How 3D printing can change your health and wellness life. Once a futuristic concept, it is now transforming the healthcare industry. From custom prosthetics to organ models, this cutting-edge technology is saving lives and reshaping the way we think about medicine. Imagine printing bones, organs, and even custom surgical tools, all designed specifically for an individual. It's not just cool, it's saving lives. From custom prosthetics to bioprinting human tissues, the possibilities are endless. Welcome to Health Equals Wellness. In this video, we'll explore how 3D printing is revolutionizing healthcare. Stick around to see how it's improving patient outcomes and changing the game for medical professionals worldwide. Segment 1. Custom prosthetics and orthotics. Traditional prosthetics can be expensive and take weeks to make. But with 3D printing, we can create custom-fit prosthetics for a fraction of the cost in just a few days. This technology allows us to provide affordable solutions, especially in underserved communities. Plus, the designs can be personalized, which makes a big difference for patients. And it's not just about affordability. These devices are lighter, more durable, and more comfortable than ever before. Segment 2. Bioprinting and organ transplants. Now here's where things get truly futuristic. Bioprinting organs for transplantation. Scientists are using specialized 3D printers to create living tissues and even organ prototypes. While we're not quite at the point of printing fully functional hearts or kidneys, we're getting closer. These innovations could one day eliminate the need for donor organs. Think about needing an organ transplant and not needing to wait months or even years for a donor. Bioprinted tissues are already being used for drug testing, reducing the need for animal testing and speeding up research for new treatments. Segment 3. Surgical preparation and training. 3D printing is also revolutionizing how surgeons prepare for complex operations. By printing detailed models of a patient's anatomy, doctors can practice procedures beforehand. Print replicas of a patient's organs or bones for pre-surgery practice, and make models for medical students to practice techniques that enhance precision during surgery and improve training outcomes. This kind of preparation doesn't just improve success rates, it can also reduce patients' time in surgery, making recovery faster and safer. Segment 4. Affordable medical equipment. In resource-limited settings, 3D printing is a game changer. Medical tools like stethoscopes, splints, and surgical instruments can now be printed on-site, cutting costs and improving access to care. We've been able to create tools on demand that would otherwise be expensive or take weeks to ship. It's empowering us to save lives. Segment 5. Customized implants and dental solutions. Emerging 3D bioprinting technology may allow the printing of living tissues for dental and implant applications. This included printing bone-like structures for jaw reconstruction and creating tissue-integrated implants for faster healing. 3D printing is revolutionizing customized implants and dental solutions by making them more precise, accessible, and affordable. This technology not only improves patient outcomes but also enhances the overall efficiency of healthcare systems. Segment 6. Real-world applications. One of the most remarkable uses of 3D printing is in pre-surgical planning. These models allow surgeons to visualize complex cases, reducing operation time and improving outcomes. 3D printing is also making prosthetics more accessible and affordable, especially for children who quickly outgrow traditional options. These lightweight, customizable devices can be created in days instead of weeks, and the possibilities don't stop there. Researchers are working on bioprinting, creating tissues and organs using living cells. While this technology is still in its infancy, it has the potential to address the global organ shortage crisis. Segment 7. Benefits and challenges. The benefits of 3D printing in healthcare are undeniable. It's cost-effective, highly customizable, and accelerates innovation. But like any technology, it comes with challenges. Ensuring the quality and safety of 3D printed medical devices is critical. Regulatory hurdles and high initial costs can also be barriers to widespread adoption. Segment 8. The future of 3D printing in healthcare. So what does the future hold? As 3D printing technology continues to advance, we're likely to see more breakthroughs in areas like bioprinting, drug delivery, and even regenerative medicine. And it's not just about what's happening now. Imagine a world where hospitals have 3D printers capable of creating custom solutions on demand, whether it's for a routine procedure or an emergency surgery. Imagine a world where every patient receives personalized treatment, where organ waiting lists are a thing of the past, and where innovation knows no bounds. 3D printing is revolutionizing healthcare, but this is just the beginning. What excites you most about this technology? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content from Health Equals Wellness.